Our Pocket Pearls series was designed, well, I'm going to say with me in mind. I've never been diagnosed with ADHD, but let's face it, I'm pretty sure I have it, and I cannot read a paragraph in a book. I am too easily distracted. So we designed our Pocket Pearls series with that kind of learner in mind. Now, as the name implies, it's a pocket series. So it's a small book that's designed to fit in your pocket or easily slip into your bag that you might take to work with you. It's got a coil on it so you can easily keep the pages open. And inside the Pocket Pearls series, you will find literally thousands of one sentence or maybe two sentence pearls that give you all the essential information you need to be prepared for the exam. Now, while this particular series is specifically designed for visual learners who learn by reading, people who are kinesthetic learners may also find this a useful tool.